students. I, Jyoti, convener of COC courses, welcome you all to this virtual orientation session on career oriented courses, popularly known as COC courses, which are offered in second year of undergraduate education in a college. So this slide shows you that a qualified degree or mainly helps you in getting a job, and expertise in a specific skill or a concerned skill will add a feather to your cap, and it helps you to lead a successful professional life later. Why COC courses are introduced? The status of autonomy gave flexibility to reorient and reshape programs offered in the college to make them more relevant and career oriented with focus on quality and excellence. Professionally qualified graduates with a sound knowledge of their core disciplines and expertise in a concerned skill will have more openings in service, industry, and self employment sectors. Demand and scope for such professionally trained graduates is a requisite in all the applied fields in today's scenario. COCs ensure that students are enriched with knowledge, skills, and aptitude for gainful employment, self employment, and also empower them. It is a continuous learning to upgrade skills, to move up the ladder, and build expertise for tomorrow. COCs make student confident, competent, and communicative. General details of COC courses. Number of courses available are 30 courses. It is compulsory for all second year students to enroll in one COC course. It is a 2-credit course, and it is conducted every Tuesday in this fourth semester, and timings of the COC course are from 3 to 4:30 p.m. in an online mode. Let's look into the evaluation pattern of COC courses. So COC courses has both continuous internal assessment and end semester evaluation. Continuous internal assessment is for 15 marks, where an important component is attendance. So attending classes is mandatory, and 35 marks is an end semester exam which is course dependent. It could be in the form of written exam or it could be in the form of projects. It is important for all of you to note that attending the classes regularly is a mandate. Passing the COC course is a must because it shows up in the marks memo. Registration to only one course. Do not register in more than one course. This is a very, very important point, girls. I would like to repeat it once again. You are supposed to register only in one course, but not in more than one course. You are going to choose your course for value addition to your subject and which has potential to get you job. So let's look at some COC courses. So you can see here the various COC courses offered over the years for second year students. Media communication, baking techniques, then we have fitness and nutrition, insurance, licentiate, we have disaster management, aquarium maintenance, communication skills, women, career and growth. Few glimpses of few of the COC courses which are offered. And now let's look into the various courses offered by departments. So the first set of departments are departments of languages. So we see that Department of English is offering 2 COC courses, Women, Career and Growth, and Communication Skills for Personal and Professional Effectiveness. Women, Career and Growth mainly helps in equipping women students with essential skills required in personal and professional life in today's world. It also helps in mainly having a minimum level of proficiency in these skills for corporate and personal communication. Communication skills for professional and personal effectiveness is mainly used for pragmatic strategies for communicating in a variety of workplace situations. Department of Arabic offers a COC course titled Phonetics and Translation. The course introduces learners to facilitate entry and engagement in an Arabic speaking environment. It offers means to develop good pronunciation and translation through advanced awareness of relevant aspect of speech. Department of Hindi offers media communication. It enables students to survive in the media world and introduce themselves as newsreaders, anchors, and script writers. Department of Sanskrit again offers two COC courses, light music, where it introduces students to the basics of light music in Carnatic classical style. The other course offered by Department of Sanskrit includes health and well-being through Ayurveda, yoga, and meditation. It highlights the importance of health and well-being in contemporary health scenario and motivates students further to study about ancient Indian health sciences. Student will know the importance of Ayurveda, yoga, and meditation in physical, mental health and well-being, which can be implemented in day-to-day life. Now let's look at the courses offered by departments of social sciences. Department of Economics offer two courses, disaster management and agricultural economics. Disaster management provides detailed knowledge on disaster preparedness, reducing the effect, and rehabilitation. Agricultural economics helps in studying and analyzing the aspects that influence the agricultural economy. The trained personnel will meet the nation's demand for high-level professional manpower in agricultural sciences, agricultural economics, and agribusiness management. Department of History offers Sociology of Culture. It introduces students to understand the sociological theory and culture of states as a sociological concept. It focuses on individual social assumption and multicultural aspects. Department of Political Science offers Women's Studies. The purpose and potential for women's studies is mainly exciting in the new area of study that opens possibilities for research innovations and field activism. It encourages students to participate in service and mold them as social human beings. Department of Public Administration again offers two COC courses, International Travel and Tourism Management and E-Governance. So International Travel and Tourism Management introduces tourism management procedures, air ticketing, and also in all those service-oriented industries. E-Governance course aims at equipping students with information about e-governance initiatives for delivery of citizen-centric services. It helps in attaining skills and understanding concepts needed to effectively manage e-government projects and programs. Department of Psychology offers one COC course titled Interpersonal Communication. It is mainly, the objective of the course is to provide the student with theoretical and practical introduction to interpersonal communication in order to improve interpersonal effectiveness in all spheres of life. Department of Commerce offers two COC courses again. One is Retail Management. So Retail Management provides students with an overview of retail management concepts and fundamentals and acquainting them with the application of global marketing practices and enabling them to acquire the specialized skills in retailing. The other course offered by the department is Insurance Licentiate in collaboration with Insurance Institute of India. The objective of the course is to impart systematic education, training, and creating avenues for research and development in the field of insurance and insurance auxiliary services, thus developing high efficient and skilled professionals. Departments of Physical Sciences offer COC courses. Computer Science Department offers 3 COC courses. First, Python programming, which mainly is an introduction to the Python programming language, and it develops competency in programming for entry into computer science jobs. The other course offered is Artificial Intelligence. It is aimed at providing students with a sound base in artificial intelligence and expand their thinking and problem solving skills. The third course offered by the department is Beginner's Course in Machine Learning. This course is aimed at educating the students with basic foundations of machine learning coupled with working knowledge of applying simple machine learning techniques for problem solving. Students will learn the theoretical concepts, methods, algorithms, and techniques from the machine learning field. Department of Physics and Electronics offers a COC course titled Robotics, and for this course, preferably physical science students are entertained. To obtain the required skill to design the motion for robotic systems and understand the functionality and limitations of robot actuators and sensors and program a robot to perform a specified task. Department of Mathematics offers a COC course titled General Mathematics, especially for non-math students to promote mathematical skills in them. Students will learn the fundamental skills and enhance their comprehension of applied mathematics. Departments of Life Sciences offers various courses. Biochemistry department offers Design Thinking as a Skill. This course enhances innovation activities in terms of value, creation, speed, and sustainability. It strengthens students' individual and collaborative capabilities to identify problems, issues, need, and develop sound hypotheses to collect and analyze appropriate data and develop ways to collect meaningful feedback in the real world environment. It teaches students to translate broadly defined opportunities into actionable innovation possibilities and recommendations for key stakeholders and their organizations. Department of Biotechnology offers Medical Lab Technology. It is to gain basic knowledge in hematology, diagnostic procedures, and waste management in hospitals and gain overall knowledge on hospital techniques and management. Department of Zoology offers aquarium maintenance. It provides hands-on training to the students for setting up an aquarium and its decoration, management, development, and it also helps in breeding and rearing fishes. Department of Microbiology offers medical coding. It is offered in collaboration with Converge Healthcare Sciences, and the expertise from that particular field will come and take classes. So it creates awareness on healthcare system and analytical knowledge to assign codes for various diseases and procedures. It provides careers in outsourcing world of healthcare, which will give scope for international exposure. So since it runs in collaboration with a institute, so the admission fee for this particular course is 2000 rupees. Department of Nutrition offers Fitness and Nutrition, where it trains and equips students with relevant skills and inputs related to fitness and nutrition. It also helps to seek a career as fitness and diet counselors in fitness and health centers and gyms and schools. The other course offered by the department is Baking Techniques. It develops professional competence in the student in bakery industry where they can set up their own retail bakery business. The third course offered by the department is Culinary Techniques. It develops culinary competencies among students in multi-cuisine recipes, competence to get employment and set up own catering business and cookery classes. Department of Genetics offers Clinical Cytogenetics, where it mainly enhances the skill in the area of clinical genetics, and it equips students to take up technical opportunities in corporate hospitals and R&D organizations. Department of Botany offers Herbal Medicine and Beauty Care. It promotes beauty care as a viable career option to students with aptitude. It promotes use of herbal products as alternative therapy and for personal grooming, and students can also establish their own beauty parlor. Department of Chemistry offers textiles and dyes. It helps in creating awareness about art and music, art and basic knowledge about weaving, dyeing, and printing. It motivates the youth for self employment and women empowerment. So, all the COC courses offered by various departments will run in collaboration with external agencies. Let's look into the course registrations. All of you are supposed to visit the college website, and on the college website you will have COC registration link. The link will be activated from 13th February 6 p.m. onwards, that is from tomorrow 6 p.m. onwards. You're going to mainly submit your details through the Google form. Ensure that you enter your correct hall ticket number and select your course of choice. Each course intake is limited to 40 students, and registrations are open only from 13th February 6 p.m. onwards. In case of any queries regarding the courses, please contact the course coordinators. The list of the course coordinators with their contact details will be shared in your student WhatsApp groups. It is important to note that all of you should enroll only in one course, otherwise your registration remains cancelled. I would like to repeat two important points here. So you have to mainly visit the website and mainly click on the COC registrations link, which will be open from tomorrow, that is 13th February 6 p.m. onwards, and register yourself into one course. If you enroll yourself in more than one course, your registration remains cancelled. Please make a note of this. So COC courses has a core committee. So I myself, Jyoti, as I told you, convener. So I have given my contact details here. Anyone has any doubt or query, you can please feel free to contact the given number. We also have members in the COC committee from various departments. We have Usharani ma'am, who is from the department of MCOM, head department of MCOM. We have Supriya, lecturer from the department of Commerce. Dr. Tasneem, head department of Zoology, and Miss Gladys, lecturer department of Mathematics. So just look at the glimpse of the COC registration form. When you click on the COC registrations on the website, so it will lead to a Google form for COC registrations. So you're going to give all your details appropriately where it asks for your hall ticket number, your name, which stream you belong to, and further it will ask you to select your course. Select only one course and submit the form properly. So when your form is submitted, so you will be registered into one course, and always remember that the seats are limited, only 40 seats for each course. So register fast so that you can get your course of choice. I would like to end this orientation with a quote: "Success is never permanent, failure is never final, so always do not stop effort until your victory makes a history." Good luck to all of you students. Thank you.